Imagine for a moment that everything you call reality is merely a reflection of what you believe. What if the limits you see around you are nothing more than projections of invisible patterns created by your own thoughts? Modern science is beginning to reveal something extraordinary, that the universe is not fixed or immutable. It is shaped by your consciousness. Quantum physics, with all its mysteries and paradoxes, is proving what spiritual masters have said for thousands of years, that you are the co-creator of your experience. And if that's true, if you really have the power to manifest your reality, then what's stopping you? In this video, you're going to understand how manifestation truly works, how the quantum field responds to your intentions, and how you can change everything by aligning your energy with what you want to live. Get ready. What you're about to discover today might turn your life upside down. For centuries, we've been taught to see the world as something solid, governed by predictable laws, where cause and effect behave like gears in a machine. That's the view of classical physics, the same science that explains planes flying and cars moving. But when scientists dove into the deepest layers of matter, something unexpected happened. At the quantum level, particles don't behave like solid objects. They behave like possibilities. They exist everywhere at once, in multiple states simultaneously. And the most surprising part, they only collapse into one reality when they are observed. That's right, the simple act of looking, of measuring, of perceiving changes what's being observed. This phenomenon, demonstrated in the famous double-slit experiment, shows that consciousness directly influences matter. In other words, we are not passive spectators of reality. We are active participants in its creation. This is where manifestation finds its true foundation. Everything that exists before materializing resides in an invisible field of pure possibility, the quantum field. Imagine this field as a massive cosmic library where all versions of your life already exist in potential form. The version where you are wealthy, healthy, loved, happy, and also the versions where you're still stuck in scarcity, loneliness, or suffering. All of these realities exist side by side, waiting to be chosen. What's that called? Superposition. And what determines which version becomes your reality? Your frequency. Your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs, all of it emits a vibrational signature that connects with a specific line of reality. Manifestation, therefore, doesn't happen when you want something. It happens when you become a match to it. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you vibrate. So how do you change your vibration to manifest a new reality? The answer lies in aligning your mind and your heart. Studies from the HeartMath Institute show that the human heart emits an electromagnetic field up to 60 times more powerful than the brain's. When your conscious thoughts align with elevated emotions like gratitude, love, excitement, or joy, you create an energetic coherence that instantly shifts your vibrational signature. It's like sending a clear, powerful signal to the quantum field. That's why many people fail at manifestation. They think about abundance but feel fear. They visualize success but carry doubt. That misalignment confuses the quantum field and keeps their reality stuck. The key is to live in the feeling of the desire already fulfilled. When you feel as if you already have what you want, the universe responds with more of that. Emotion is the bridge between intention and manifestation. But if all this is so powerful, why are we still trapped in negative patterns? Why is it still so hard to manifest certain things? The answer lies in a silent enemy, the subconscious. It governs more than 95% of your daily thoughts and has been programmed since childhood with beliefs you don't even realize you have. Beliefs like, I don't deserve it, money is hard to get, love hurts, statements that seem harmless but operate like silent commands repeated every single day. And the quantum field responds to those hidden frequencies. The good news? The subconscious can be reprogrammed. And you don't need years of therapy to do it. Techniques like creative visualization, guided meditation, powerful affirmations, and even neuroplasticity prove that you can install new beliefs, new synapses, and with that, emit a new vibration. It's like upgrading your internal software and seeing a new reflection on the outside. Maybe you've heard of Joe Dispenza. He's one of the leading researchers at the intersection of neuroscience, quantum physics, and spirituality. In his studies and workshops around the world, thousands of people have reported spontaneous healings, powerful manifestations, and life transformations that once seemed impossible. But what did these people do? They didn't just think differently, they became different. They changed their emotional states, trained their bodies to feel a new reality before it existed, and repeated that with such consistency that the universe responded. Is that magic? No, that's applied physics. The quantum field is neutral, it doesn't judge. It only responds to your dominant vibration. And when you transform internally, the outer reality has no choice but to reflect that transformation. Now look at your life and ask yourself, where is your focus? What do you think about every day? Where does your mind go when no one is watching? Because where your attention goes, your energy flows. And where you place your energy is what you manifest. Most people focus on what they lack, on what's missing, on what's gone wrong. They live in survival mode, collapsing again and again a reality they don't want. But you can choose differently. You can choose to place your attention on what you want to create. You can feel now what you want to live later. That's the real secret of manifestation, living from the inside out. And the more you repeat that, the stronger the field becomes until the material world has no choice but to reorganize itself around your new vibration. You have a power within you that you may have never consciously used. A power that goes far beyond physical effort or positive thinking. It's the power of your awareness. Quantum manifestation is real, measurable, and accessible. But it requires one decision. The decision to stop being a victim of your circumstances and step into the role of creator. You are not here just to survive. You are here to create, to experience, to expand. And it all begins with how you think and feel right now. When you shift inside, the world shifts outside. The quantum field is listening to you at all times. And the only question left is, what signal are you sending? If this video sparked something inside of you, a memory, an inspiration, a sense of truth, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Subscribe to the channel so you can continue receiving content that unites science and spirituality in a powerful, practical way. In the next videos, we'll dive even deeper into quantum manifestation techniques, guided visualizations, real stories of transformation, and tools to raise your frequency every day. You are not alone in this journey. Are you ready to awaken the creator within? Then come with us. Your new self is already waiting to be manifested.